What's up, guys? Flying Falcon here. Today we are playing Jailbreak. Now, I have a slice of pizza, which my dog that's next to me really wants. I'll be doing a video on Charlie. That's my dog's name, Charlie. I'll be doing a video on him soon on my other channel, Flying Falcon XYX. Make sure to. Oh, that was him. He's actually sitting with the computer. No, fine. I'll give you a little bit. There you go. He's getting chased. He's in something bad. So guys, this is just gonna be like, that's my dog. Once again, stop doing that. Actually, stop doing that. I'm not joking. I'm not clicking the buttons. Well, now I am. But so guys, I'll see you when we get out of prison. So guys, there's an exploded wall here, just around the corner. So I'm gonna teach you how to escape. Just press E, hold E. Actually, don't press it. And yeah. Sprint over to the car. There's someone leaving already. Um, so, I don't know what to do now. As you can see in the chat, the closest, it's me saying will. I meant to say will do what, but yeah, I accidentally said will. But anyway, what will I do? Well, you just left this car. Which way? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch a tiger. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch a tiger by the toe. If it squeals, let him go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Wee wah, wee wah, wee wah, wee wah, wee wah, wee wah. That pole really should cut the car. So guys, take your dad away. Wow, you really guys, what were you doing? Dude, get in, I'll drive it there. Crap, I'm a good driver. Oh, look at that, look at that. There we go. I know I wasn't talking, but yep, that was me doing my insane stunt. I'm quite proud of myself. Guys, we're robbing a bank. It's going to be really fun. And the fun thing is, what I'm going to do next. Run. That snowman's trying to shoot me. Actually, let's get this. I already have it. I already bought it. Oh, whoa, you're going really fast. For a hacker. And then I go over here and I get my motorbike. Go to the tunnel. Here's a criminal base. That's the city criminal base. The motorbike is what's it called? The secret criminal base, the one with the tunnel. I'll show you that one if I haven't showed you already. Oh wait, I have the last video of jailbreak. So I've showed you then. But I don't need to. I just showed you them. And I need to get my motorbike. My motorbike's over here somewhere. No motorbike. Where's it gone? Whoa. What was that? Oh, insane drift. It would be cooler if I knocked that tree down. That's my bike. There. There's a helicopter. I see the helicopter. There. There, police. Anyway, let's go to the city. Wow. Dodge satellite. What else? Dodge. Whoa. I almost ran into that car again. Because that's when I was proud of myself. I know this song. Wait, what's up? Wait a minute. Ooh, just yeah. I'm the one who messed up. No, oh, I'm dancing with my handcuffs. No, that's from a poem is for the few. Look at the commission, let me singing highlight from the pain. This wrong message from the rain. Believer, believer. I'm a believer. I believe I can get out of here in 1 second. 3, 2. See? I told you I could escape in 1 second. Okay. Let's game plan. We're gonna rob something. Something besides the jewelry store. Maybe like the train. I'm gonna go find the train. That's a game of train. There we go. So this and my game's for the like first time played this. First time played this when I escaped prison. I was with Genuine Cow and I was with Jurassic Free to check 'em out. And this game was just a bit ad. You're like what's free now? Actually, still will be great. People go to today's video. What we do. Exit me. And then I believe that I'm losing my words. I believe I escaped and then I died. Well, not died, got arrested. I did rob the jewelry store, however. I got money taken off me for some reason. Oh yeah, that's because I took treasure. Treasure. Is that it? No, I bought a car. I bought a car. I forgot what car it is again. Now it's gone. And I can't find it. So I'll try and find it in another jailbreak video. But I believe I can escape again. This time not in 1 second. I'll go through it the long way. I'll go it the long way. Can you give me money? No. I won. The whole idea of prison. Well, it's not. Prison is. Oh, funny thing. I'm actually hearing a siren right now. Oh, yeah. Hey, so go. Pretend I wasn't here. You can't see me. There's a cop right there, and that's where I need to be. They're seeking this up today. What? Alright. Doesn't he know? Doesn't he know? Wait, can I hitch a ride with the cop? Can I? Dude, go. Dude, go. Well, I'm gonna try and trick him. Hop out. I'll Right. Okay, let's see if I can trick him. What? Oh, dang, it's too quick. Oh, okay, wait. This should work. Oh, look at that. Oh my god, look at this. Oh god, look. Oh, it's a stampede of criminals. Oh, he's going after me. He's going after me. Okay, gotta make this quick, and it wasn't so quick. Well, we've proved the silver believer isn't helpful. Because I obviously didn't believe hard enough. We can try again. We can do it, guys. Come on. Just go away. Yes.